Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, March 12th, 7:08 a.m. I want to review yesterday's projection and take a look at today. You can see on the Vedic chart here, I was expecting this high to take place in this rectangle. The market did move up, made a new high, but continued to go on after the end of the segment there, that bright green segment. Traded up another couple hours and made the actual high of the day around 112. So we had a window from after 11 until about 212, 220, where you could have got short to take advantage of this longer extended down move, which took place and ran overnight and went about 40 plus points and is about to conclude here where we are now. We're in this white time zone window where we're going to get a new high or a new low from the prior segment. It's possible that when we hit this small red window here, we get another push down to retest the low or make a slight new low. But after we get out of this white window, either way, our main indication from this chart is neutral to bullish or continuation. So looking at this chart, it's kind of hard to tell what the trend would be because we have a little bit of a cross current. We're looking at sideways to up on this chart. So I'm going to switch and take a look at the Astro tool and see what that tells us so we can use in tandem with that. So looking at the Astro tool, you can see that the green line has already bottomed here on the zero line. We had a small step down as the market's done this kind of a U-shaped bull bottoming out process here. The green line, which is the large planet indicator, has been stepping up and it steps up excuse me, until 11 o'clock, then it kind of sideways for the rest of the day. The blue line, which is the medium intraday trend, is in a bottoming zone here between 632 and about 755 or so here. So it is possible we get another kick down to challenge the low and make a new low. But then with these two lines in tandem, they're slightly pressing upward together until about 20 after 11 this morning. So when you combine that with the Vedic indication, which is neutral to slightly bullish, this is also neutral to slightly bullish. And then we get the blue line and the green line diverge here where my cursor is at 1120. The blue line is going to have some downward pressure until about 2 o'clock roughly. And the green line is relatively flat. So we should be moving up till about 11:30. It's possible that we correct somewhere between 11:30 and 2 o'clock, either that or we get an up and down sideways activity. And then both the lines come in sync again from right after 2 o'clock into the end of the day. We should have some upward pressure. So that's what the trend for today is looking like. Let me give you a look at today's PH timings and we'll show you what you got going for that. So here are today's timers on the PH. What we have are the typical method 1, method 2 PH on the blue vertical lines. You can see we're coming into a setup now, so we might get a trigger right here. That was a method 1 identifier that came off the overnight high. So this particular high right here, you can see the light purple segment, and we're hitting that again right here. We also have another one of those later at 2 o'clock when we have the expected trend shift time. And that also coincides with the method 2 indicator for Friday. So basically that 2 o'clock area is a double indication to keep in mind. Now you can see the other timers I have set up here at the vertical lines. And then I threw in 2 new ones today. This is something that's not part of our normal process, but I'm giving you a couple of extra timing signals. One is at 10:15, one is at 11:50. Those are on the brown line. So I'm not really covering the rainbow right now because it's kind of in off time periods. So we're going to concentrate on the pH and look at the trend. So there you have it. That's what we have for today. And we'll be back again soon with another video. Thanks for watching.